Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Decode with Ratan. In the today's lecture, we are going to work upon last 7-day rolling average. This is one of the most important question. People having experience of 3 or more than 3 plus year of experience as working as a data analyst or as data engineer. So in this lecture, we are going to understand it how we solve last 7-day rolling average, last 3 months rolling average, last 10-day rolling average, or the rolling sum. Okay, the concepts for behind these questions are pretty much similar. So we have to understand one question and questions such as last 7-day rolling sum or last 3 month rolling average. You will try to solve it. If you will not, I will share the solution of these questions as well with you. So in the today's lecture, what the task we have one table, that is the daily sales table, in which we have sales date, category, and sales amount. What we have to find? We have to calculate the rolling average sales of last 7 days, include the current day. It means current day and previous 6 day more for the different kind of categories. So we have two different category in this. One is electronic and one is furniture. Let's solve this question. So I have daily sales data. Select star from daily sales. Okay. We have what's the issue in this data for that daily, like for the 1st of January 2024, we have two different rows. For 5th of January, we have two different rows. For 6th of January, we have two different rows. So we have to group by our data based on sales date and category so that we have one particular row for each date for the different categories. So let's write code for group by condition first of all. So group by, we will do group by for on the basis of two column. One is sales date, sales date, and one is category, category. To just copy it and write in the select statement as well, and then sum of sales amount column as as daily sales, daily total sales, daily total sales. Okay, let's run this command. And now we have data for each day. We have one single row. Let's move to Excel for better understanding. Let's suppose in 1 January 2024, we have two data. For 5th of January, we have two different rows. For 6th of January, we have two different rows. So what we did group by. After grouping by, we have one single row for each date. For each date, we have one single row. Now, what is the next step? The next step, we have to find the last 7-day rolling average, including current row and the last sixth row. So for this, we have to understand what is current row, what is preceding, and what is following. So current row on which the current window function is iterating, and what is preceding. Preceding means include n number of rows before the current row, and what is n following, it includes n rows after the current row. Means preceding means before, and following means after the current row. So we have to understand this. Okay, 6 preceding means 6 rows before the current row. 6 following means 6 row after the current row. So it is one of the simple logic that we have to use in our code. So first of all, we have to create one CTE with CTE as, and then write select star from CTE. In this condition, we are going to write the 7 rolling day average. Okay, the code for 7 rolling day average. So we have to write average. Average of which column we have to find the daily total sales. Daily total sales. Then we will write over. After over, we have to write the partition. Partition by we have category column. We have to partition on category column. Then order by last 6 day means we have to order by based on date column, based on sales date column, sales date column. After this, we have to create one frame inside the window, inside one window. So we have to write to create the frames like rows between 6 preceding and current rows as last 7 days rolling average. Let's run this code. And what we have? We have solution. Like for 1st of January, 1500 the total sales. The average is as well as 1500. For 2nd of January, it will take these two rows and it will find the average, that is 1350. For this, this is the current row and 6 rows, but it has only the 2 more rows. So it will take the current row and it will take 2 preceding. Let's move to Excel for better understanding. Let's suppose it is on 8th of January 2024. So this is the current row. What it will take? It will see 1 preceding, 2 preceding, 3 preceding, 4 preceding, 5 and 6 preceding. And it will give me the average of this. The average of this is 1671. 1671. So this is the last 7 day rolling average including the current row. So for better understanding of this question, you should have knowledge of current row, preceding, following, and concepts such as unbounded preceding and unbounded following. If you have the conceptual clarity of these 3-4 conceptual terms, you will easily able to solve this question. In this question, what we did group by, because we have multiple rows in a single for a single date, and after it we are going to find the last 7 day rolling average. So it is if you have conceptual clarity, it is easy question, but if you not, then it is difficult to solve. Thank you so much. We will again come up with one very good interview question. And till then, please try to write code for last 3 month rolling average or last 6 month rolling average or last 10 day rolling average. So try to write it. You will get more conceptual clarity if you will write these 3 different code. Thank you so much.